Today's Bible lesson is on the Garden of Gethsemane. And so this is right after the Last Supper that Jesus had with his disciples. He will lead them into the garden to pray. This is also the garden where Jesus will be arrested as well. And so we are moving to the events that go on before his crucifixion. Today for math, students will complete math worksheet 4. You can turn that in with their assignments by 9 p.m. on tonight. Today in writing, students can correct the sentences that I have on the video here. They can just put them on a loose leaf paper and write them correctly. To begin today's phonics lesson, students can review charts 6, 7, and 13 on today. Here I have a list of words that I want students to identify how many syllables are in each word. So syllables mean parts of a word, and so you say the word and you clap as you say the word, and that will tell you how many parts or how many syllables are in each word. Next, I have 2 words, and I want to contract them. Remember, we learned contractions. Contractions is when you have two words, you put them together to make them shorter, and you put an apostrophe in the place of the letter that you may have taken out to form the new word. And so I have 4 words here that are 2 words, and then I would like students to contract them to give you the shorter way to say the word. Here on the board, students will focus on learning special sound T-I-O-N, shun, and S-I-O-N, shun. So they both say the same exact sound. It's just T-I-O-N has the T and then S-I-O-N has the S. And so students can practice identifying the sounds in these words and reading the words. After students complete the board work, they can do page 141 in their letters and sound phonics book and also in their language book as well. Today's reading pages are 99 to 103. This week in spelling, students are on list 28, focusing on the ch sounds, CH and TCH. Test will be on Friday. This week in social studies, we are moving on to 2 new countries. We are learning about India and China, which are right next door to one another. So just a reminder, we have 7 continents. We visited North America, where we went to Mexico and Canada. We visited South America. We went to Peru. Europe, we visited various different places like France, Netherlands, Switzerland, and other countries. In Africa, we went to Kenya and Egypt. And we started Asia, and we went to Israel, and now we'll go to our last 3 countries in Asia as well. Here's a picture of the countries, India and China. So they are neighbors to one another. They are actually the 2 most populated countries in the world. India is on pages 94 and 95, and China is on page 96 and 97.